Welcome back to Hausama Series channel. So our lesson of today is lesson 15. So we are going to convert fraction to decimal. We are going to learn how to convert a fraction to decimal. So we have 1 divided by 2. How are you going to divide 1 by 2? 1 divided by 2, it can't, and we cannot just say that 1 divided by 2 to be having answer. So we are going to place our answer on the button. So now we are going to say it 2 in 1. How many times? So it can't. Therefore, we are going to write 0. 2 in 1 is 0. It cannot go. So we are going to write 0. By the time we write 0, we are going to put dot 0 point. After putting 0 point, that 10 it become 0.10. Therefore, 2 in 0.10 we are going to have 5. 2 in 10 is 5. Therefore, our result is going to be 0.5. Therefore, 1 over 2 is 0.5 in decimal place. So always when you solve fraction of 1 divided by 2 is exactly 0.5 in decimal place. Number 2, 1 over 3. When we divide 1 divided by 3, the answer is on the button. So we are going to use the same process. 3 in 1 is 0 point. It cannot go. So we are going to replace this one with 0.10 since we put this point. Now 3 in 10 we have 0.3. It remains only 1. Therefore, when we have this remainder, we are going to replace it also with, we are going to add 0. Since we have this decimal point, once we put this point, any number that's left, we are going to add 0 attached to it. Now we have 3 in 10, we have another 3, then we have 0.33. Also, we are going to have another 0.0. So that's how we are getting this 33 repeatedly. So 1 over 3 is 0.333 without an n. It keeps repeating. So although this one is a rational number. So since we have done with this one, we are going to take number 3, which is 2 over 3. 2 divided by 3, we are going to use the same process. 3 in 2, it can't. Since it can't, we are going to write 0 point. Always when the number cannot enter, we are going to write point. So then that will become 0.20. Then we are going to say 3 in 20. How many times this 3 enter 20? So it's 6 times. So we have 0.6. Then we are going to have remainder 2. This 2 become also 20 again. Since we have remainder 2, this 20 become 23 in 20 is 6. We have another 6, remain also 2. So that is how we are going to have the result 0.666. To keep repeating until we approximate it. The last one is 0.66. Anywhere we wish to stop, we are going to write the last one as 7. So that is the result for 2 divided by 3. Then the number 4, we have 1 divided by 4. So we are going to say 4 in 1. How many times 4 enter 1? So it cannot go. It can't. We are going to write 0 point. Once we write 0 point, this one becomes 0.10. Then 0.10 is 2. So we are going to have remainder 2. Then we are going to replace this 2 with 0.20. Then 0.20 is 5 without remainder. So 1 divided by 4 is exactly 0.25 or 0.25. I mean, so the last one 3 over 8. We are going to write 3 by 8. So we are going to say 8 in 3. It can't. We are going to write 0 point. By the time we write this point, we are going to replace 3 with dot 30. So 8 in 30 is 3 times. Then it will remain 6. Then this 6 automatically become 0.60. So 8 in 60 7 times. It will remain 4 again. Therefore, this 4 become 40. 8 in 40 we have 5 times exactly. So this fraction have an end. We have 0.375, sort of this critical one. So maybe in the next year when we are taking this conversion, we are going to take it. So now convert decimal to fraction. How are you going to convert these decimals to fraction? 0.02, 0.125, 0.75, and 0.991. Number one, 0.002. How many decimal numbers are after point? Is 1, 2, 0 and 2. So since we have 2, so we are going to multiply by 100. Why? Because it is 0, 0, it is 20 after 100. When you multiply it with 100, so you are going to eliminate this point at all. So k 0.002 multiplied by 100 is equal to 2 and divided by 100. When you multiply by 100, you must then divide it by 100 so that it will be the same. So 0.02 multiplied by 100 is 2 and we are dividing it by 100. So which number can go in 2 and 5 and 100 is 2. So 2 in 2, 1. Then 2 in 100 is 50. Then the second one, 0.125. So look at it. We have 125, 3 decimal places after point. So we are going to multiply by 1000 so that we can be able to eliminate this point. So 0.125 multiplied by 1000, and we are going to divide by 1000 after we have concluded this result. So when we multiply 0.125 by 1000, it will be exactly 125. So that after we have finished with the multiplying by 1000, we are going to divide by 1000. Always when you multiply with the number which is not there, you are going to divide by it again. So we are taking this point from 1, 2, 3 spaces so that it will be 125. So we are having 0.125 times 100 as 125. Then 125 divided by 1000, because we already multiplied by 1000, and now the result we are going to divide it by 1000 so that it will be equal to 0.125 as we initiate it, but in form of fraction. So which number can go in 125 and it can go in 1000? So 25 can go in 125 5 times, and 25 can go in 1000 40 times. Then 5 can go in 5 and 5 can go in 40. So how many times 5 go in 5? 1 times, and 8 times, and 5 can go in 48 times. Therefore, so 0.125 is exactly 1/8. So the third one, 0.75. We want to transform this one to fraction. So 0.75 is only 2 decimal numbers after point. So we are going to multiply by 100 and divide it by 100. So the same thing. So 0.075 multiplied by 100 is 75. Now divided by 100. So which number can go in 75 and 100 is 25. So 25 in 75 is 3 times. And 25 in 100 is 4 times. Therefore, the result is going to be exactly 3 divided by 4. So always 0.75 is 3 divided by 4. Now the last one, which is critical, but is seemingly easy. Since we have 3 numbers after a point, we are going to multiply by 1000. So now when we multiply by 1000, we eliminate this point. We have 999, and we are going to divide it by 1000 again. 999 divided by 1000. There is no number can go in 999 and go in 1000 also at once. So we are going to leave it like that, 999 divided by 1000. So that is the last one. So I think this one is going to be an end of today's lesson. See you in the next lesson by the grace of Almighty Allah. See you tomorrow. Have your exercise. See you tomorrow. Thank you.